Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. IBPS PO and UBI LBU, local bank officer. What is the difference between the job profile, salary, as well as LBU is a permanent job or not? There are lots of confusion among the candidates' mind. Should we apply or not? Already I have made one video over it, but आज मैं बात करूँगा especially salary की. That what will be the salary on the position of LBO? Will it be going to be a little bit more or little bit less than the IBPS PO? तो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, but before that one important information guys, GA Hustle batch is live in which you can prepare for UBI, LBO, IBPS PO, SBI PO and SBI clerk examination parallelly. I will be keeping focus on all upcoming bank and insurance sector examination in this batch. Currently there is an offer. You can subscribe the batch by using code Diwali, DIWALI, at costing around 750 rupee. Usually the price is 799. Apart from that, our RRB PU interview batch is also live. You can join it currently at a costing around 1500 rupee. After result, it is going to be 2000. चलिए start कर लेते हैं, बात कर लेते हैं LBO की. So already we had a detailed discussion regarding local bank officer notification, and I have strongly recommended everyone, those who know these language, Telugu, Assamese, Gujarati, Kannada, they should apply from your own state. Why? Because they have clearly mentioned in the notification, for at least 10 years you are going to stay in the same state. It is most of your life you are going to stay in the same state. तो काफी लोगों का confusion था. Even people ping me, sir, I am from Telangana, I want to apply from Andhra. So you are from Telangana. In Telangana also 200 vacancies, Andhra also 200 vacancies. I would suggest you, from wherever you are, apply in your own state. Why? Because you will be going to stay for the long time in that particular state. I would not recommend you to move here and there for applying LBO. Otherwise, you will be in the same chain, again application, again writing the examination. Come out of it. बाहर आ जाओ इससे. Time आ गया है, right? Now talking about the salary, very important to understand the salary and talking about the salary. So here you have the salary slip of October 2024 of IBPS PO. तो ये बैंक PO का salary, IBPS PO का salary है. So we can see that basic pay कितना है? Basic pay is 48,480 rupees, and here also basic pay is 48,480 rupees. It means LBO or PO, in both cases basic pay is exactly same. single rupee basic pay आपका same है. Okay, grade pay क्या है? Grade pay यहां पर बोलते हैं employee subgroup, जूनियर मैनेजमेंट GS1, यहां पर भी है जूनियर मैनेजमेंट GS1 ग्रेड पे. सो ग्रेड पे इज ऑल्सो सेम, बेसिक पे इज ऑल्सो सेम, बेसिक पे भी आपका सेम है. नाउ देयर विल बी लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस यू विल बी एबल टू सी इन द DNS अलाउंस. आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू सी द डिफरेंस इन द स्पेशल अलाउंस, learning allowance, etc. So in other areas, special allowance also, in other area you are able to see the differences. यहाँ पर 2000, 3000, 4000 like this you will be able to see the differences, right? Now the total salary in different bank POs also, BOB PO salary will be a little bit different from PNB PO, will be little bit different from Bank of Maharashtra PO. So 4,000 to 5,000 difference you are able to see, although basic pay is same. Basic pay same है. So same case will be applicable in the case of local bank officer as well, because the basic pay is same, salary is going to be very similar to the bank PO salary. अगर यहाँ पर total earning की बात करें 75,571 है, while यहाँ पर आ रहा है 85,920. After that deductions will be applicable. So in hand salary for the bank PO is in between 69,000 to 72,000 in hand salary, which they are able to get it after joining, new joining. So 69,000 to 72,000 bank PO का salary चल रहा है. You will be able to expect the salary around 72 to 75,000 in hand on the position of local bank officer. It means there will be a little bit 2 to 3,000 higher salary you are able to see on the LBO position. बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल बिट हायर कंपेयर टू द PO से थोड़ा ज्यादा होने वाली है सैलरी, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द डिस्कशन अराउंड द सैलरी गाइस. एग्जाम प्रोस्पेक्टिव की बात करें, सो UBI LBO एग्जाम पैटर्न इन रीजनिंग एंड कंप्यूटर एप्टीट्यूड 45 क्वेश्चन 60 मार्क्स. Reasoning, computer aptitude, 45 questions, 60 marks. Timing, 60 minutes, 60 minute. General economy, banking awareness, general economy, banking awareness, 40, 40, 35. 40, 40, 35. So you'll be able to see exact copy and paste concept. आपको बिल्कुल copy paste लगेगा. Yes sir, everything is same. Exam pattern is same. Salary is same. Grade pay is same. It is just they want people, those who know the language and ready to work in the particular state for the long term, they should apply for LBO. So do apply for the LBO job, guys. Do apply for the LBO job. Local bank officer 2024 cracker package is available at 299 rupees at present. You can subscribe for this. And for the preparation of GA, you can go for directly Hustle Batch. I'll be meeting you back in the next video. I hope you got a clear idea that LBO is a permanent job, very similar to IBPS PO. Even the salary is 2 to 3,000 higher compared to IBPS PO. So all the best for your LBO examination. Focus on it properly. I'll be meeting you back in our daily current affairs class morning 8 AM on the Guidely YouTube channel. Till that time, keep watching Guidely. Take care. Jai Hind.